Hi, my name is Chris. I'm an American who's been living here in Ho Chi Minh City since 2008. I have 15 plus years of experience working as a sourcing expert and a tour guide. Thanks a lot for connecting with Dwight and being interested in our services. Can you see how manufacturing in Vietnam will help you grow your business? When is a good time to hire us to get you into some of the best factories that Vietnam offers? Allow me to explain our services briefly. Some people have an idea and they just want to get a prototype made. So we offer a sample development service where we have a list of 27 questions, and then from those answers, we create a tech pack, we make a pattern file, then we create a sample using available fabric, and we get a price quote from a factory. We charge $3,000 per month. The goal is to finish in 30 days, and we will send you an email that has the price quote, the tech pack, and the pattern file. Plus, we'll send you a physical sample that's using available fabrics, and we will give you the contacts of the factories that we use. So if you want to work with us, continue working with us, that's an option, or you can work directly with the factories. So that's sample development. Our next service is factory tours. So our clients, they'll book their hotels, book their flights, they'll fly over here. We will set up 3 to 5 factory visits in one day. We charge $1,500 per day, and the price includes the car, the driver, translator, and lunch. And the idea is that our job is just to choose factories that are appropriate for what you need made, and we get you there on time. At the end of the day, our job is done, and we have no idea who you choose to work with after that. So that's our factory tours service. So we also offer a consultation plus factory introduction service. So we jump on a Zoom call and we talk about your product and your business strategy. We go into detail about fabric, trims, accessories, packaging, and then we talk about like producing in the north versus producing in the south. We talk about shipping options. We talk about import duty options or export duty options. Whatever questions you have about manufacturing in Vietnam, I'll be happy to answer. Then, if you're interested, I will give you my advice as to what I would do if I were you. And then finally, I will introduce you to at least 3 factories that I promise can make your product. And I also promise that they will respond to your inquiry. But beyond that, I can't promise anything else. And the idea is that I will give you their first name, last name, email, phone number, website, and Google Map link, and then you'll contact them directly and go from there. I do not get commissions from any factories, and I don't know who you end up working with. That's how the consultation works, and I charge $500 per consultation, per product. We also offer an online course called Get Your Merch Made in Vietnam, and it covers 24 topics of this process from beginning to end of getting merch made in Vietnam. We charge $350, and it's available online. Then I also have some ebooks. I have an ebook on garment production in Vietnam, buying eco fabrics in Vietnam, controlling quality in Vietnam, and how to make your tech packs in Vietnam. And those are for sale on Amazon for $9.99 each. We also offer a free starter kit with valuable resources. It has one of my ebooks, How to Make Tech Packs in Vietnam. It has the list of 27 questions, has a sample apparel tech pack, a sample quantity breakdown list, and a sample quality control checklist, as well as recommended reading and recommended videos list. So if you're interested in that free tech pack, let us know. We'll send it to you right away. Thanks for listening, and thanks for having a conversation with Dwight. Both Dwight and I are here in Vietnam ready to help you out. Have a great day, and remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.